me, Lego Man. I'm so happy to be with you guys. And this is our technology class. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. We hope that you're having a great week. And yes, this is our technology class. And this week we are going to be doing something very special. I'm going to be sharing a story with you guys, and then you are going to get to type a sentence in Google Docs or in Microsoft Word. So you're going to put those typing skills to the test, and you're going to get to be creative and use your imagination to share a little story of your own. So before we get to that, let me read the story to you guys, okay? Are you excited, Lego Man? Oh, I love stories. I love stories. Let me tell you the title of this story. It's called I Just Don't Like the Sound of No, no. I don't like the sound of no, especially when I ask to get more Lego sets and they say, no, you can't have any more Legos because you're a Lego anyways. So no more Legos for you. And I get so mad because I just want to have every Lego set in the Lego store. I know. And I don't think anybody likes it when they want something, but the answer is no. Not right now. Nope. I don't think that makes anybody feel happy, right? Okay, so I'm going to read the story to you guys. And after we read the story, then I will tell you about what you're going to be typing, okay? So it says, my name is RJ, and I just don't like the sound of the word no. There he is. He does not like the sound of the word no. It seems like everybody always tells me no. No, RJ this. No, RJ that. Sometimes I think they think my real name is No RJ. A few days ago, I was at the store with my dad, and I saw a box of smelly markers that I really wanted. Dad, can you buy these for me? No, he said. So I'll show you guys the pictures. And the dad said, no, he cannot have the markers. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about maybe? No, said my dad, not today. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about we'll see? No, he said. Remember, RJ, I told you before we left home. This trip to the store is a looking trip for you. It is not a buying trip. But Dad, they have the one that smells like bubble gum and the cherry and banana. No, RJ, no means no. So I'll show you guys the pictures. So he really wanted those markers. When we got home, my best friend Sam asked me if I could go over to play at his house. And I said, Mom, can I go play over at Sam's house? No, my mom said, not today. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about you'll think about it? No, my mom said, you cannot go over to your friend's house. It's a school day and you have to do your homework. No, RJ. No, RJ. No, RJ. They say no to everything. So look, his friend came over. And he was really upset because he wanted to go play at his friend's house. The next day at school, I asked my teacher, can we have extra recess and extra free time today? No, RJ, not today. I just don't like the sound of no. How about maybe later? No, RJ, today we have a full schedule and we just can't fit it in. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about after lunch? No, RJ, I told you not today. But last week you said no means no, RJ. You need to learn how to accept no for an answer. So there he is. He really wanted to have the extra recess and the extra free time. I think you need to become a member of the Say Yes to No Club, said his teacher. How do I do that? Well, to join, you have to be able to do two things: accept no for an answer and learn how to disagree respectfully. To accept no for an answer, so these are the steps to accept no for an answer. Look right at the person who's telling you no and then say, okay, to the person. Stay calm on the inside and don't disagree. You can ask why later. This is how you should be. So look, it's the Say Yes to No Club sign, and those are the rules for saying yes to no. To disagree with someone the right way, here's what you should do. Look right at the person when you disagree. Don't scream or use mean words. Be the best that you can be. Tell why you feel differently. Give your reasons with your facts and listen closely to what they say. This is how you should act. RJ, if you can learn how to do these two things, you can become a member of the Say Yes to No Club. Then you will get to write your name on the star and put it on the Say Yes to No star board. Once your star is up on the board, your name will be put in a weekly drawing and you could even win a prize. Wow. So his teacher said he could even win a prize. So there are the rules and there's the stars. So maybe he could get his name on the star board. RJ says, do I have to do it at home too? Absolutely, said his teacher. In order to become an official member, your parents have to sign a paper saying that you are being a Say Yes to No expert at home. I looked at the Say Yes to No star board. It would be pretty cool to see my name up there on one of those stars. And the prizes my teacher gives away are awesome. Margaret Ann walked by and overheard me talking to my teacher. And guess what she said? Being a member of the Say Yes to No Club is a lot of fun, RJ. You get to decorate your star any way you want to. So look, he's thinking about it. Maybe he's going to join the Say Yes to No Club. Okay, I told my teacher, I'll do it. After lunch, I asked my teacher, can we have extra recess today? No, she said. It wasn't easy for me, but I looked up at her and I said, okay. Whoa, he didn't argue with the teacher. He just said, okay. Guess what the teacher said? Thanks for accepting no, RJ, she said, and she gave me a thumbs up. Then I went back to my seat. That night, I was at home getting some ice cream out of our freezer when my mom said, no, RJ, you cannot have ice cream right now. Oh gosh, look at him. He's getting his ice cream out. He really wants ice cream. In my head, I was thinking, I don't like the sound of no. I just want ice cream. I'm hungry. But then I thought about how my name would look on one of those stars. And guess what I said to my mom? Okay, Mom, I'll put it back. So let's see what he does. So there he is. He's thinking about it. And he decides to say, okay, and he puts the ice cream away. My mom looked at me like she was in shock. What? RJ, did you just say okay when I told you no? Thank you, RJ. And she gave me a great big hug. Before I went to bed, I asked my mom, why wouldn't you let me eat the ice cream tonight? I was so hungry. And I'll show you guys the pictures. So now he's asking his mom why she wouldn't let him have the ice cream. Well, RJ, you wanted ice cream right before dinner, and I didn't want to spoil your appetite. Oh, I said, I'm so proud of you, RJ, said Mom. Even when you disagreed with me, you waited to talk to me until you were calm and you didn't argue. So the mom was very proud of him because he didn't argue about her saying no. Last week, I earned my star and I got my name on the Say Yes to No special drawing board. Today, my teacher picked a name, and guess who won the prize? I did! And guess what my prize was? A box of smelly markers, just like the ones I wanted my dad to buy me at the store. So look, his star is on the Say Yes to No board, and he won the smelly markers. Becoming a Say Yes to No expert really paid off for me. Today was one of the best days of my life ever. So look, he was so excited. It was one of the best days of his life ever. So that is our story today, our Say Yes to No Club story. So now you guys are going to put your typing skills into action. And so what I have done here is I have started a Google Doc. So remember, you can either use this in Google Docs, right, which you'll need your parents' help to get into it, or you can do it in Microsoft Word. Either one is fine. So whichever you have at your house. So what I already started typing, what you will do is you will type your name where it says name. So please make sure to type your name. And then it already says second grade technology class. It already has a title here. I just don't like the sound of no. That was the story we just read. And now, if you notice, I started to type a sentence. Your homework is to finish the sentence, okay? So here's how the story is starting. It says, one time I said yes to no was when, and I would like you to finish it. So maybe it was yesterday when you were at home and maybe you asked mom or dad, Mom, Dad, can I play a game on your phone? And maybe they said, nope, not today. And what did you do? Did you start going like this? But I want to play the game now. I don't want it. I want to do it now. And did you get really upset? Or did you say yes to no? Okay, no problem. Maybe I can play it tomorrow. Which one? So I would like you to tell us a story when you actually said okay and you didn't have a fit or you didn't argue and you just were very calm and you said, okay. And so this is really good to practice because as you get older, right? Because you guys aren't little kids anymore, right? Maybe when you were in pre-K or kindergarten or first grade and mom or dad or your teacher or somebody said no to you, maybe you had a little bit of a tantrum. Maybe you got really upset and you started saying, but I really want to, I really. And you didn't like it when they said no. But now you're in second grade. And so you guys, you should know how to stay calm and how to accept no and just say, okay, no problem. So I would like to hear a short little story. So you just have to finish the sentence. It's just one sentence. And tell us what happened. So one time I said yes to no. So this would be a time when you didn't argue. You just said, okay, what happened? So it could be anything. Maybe you really wanted to have a piece of candy or a snack before dinner and mom said, no, not right now. Or maybe you wanted to go and ride your bike outside, but they said, no, sorry, not today. Or maybe you really wanted to go out to the store and get something and they said no. Or maybe you were at the store and you wanted to get a snack or you wanted to get a toy and they said, nope, can't, not today. And what did you do? So tell us what happened, okay? So what you will do is everything is already typed in here. The only thing you have to do is type your name and then just type the rest of the sentence. And as soon as you're done typing it, just, you can ask your parent to help you. You can press the share button and you can share it with me. Or if you are in Microsoft Word, then they'll have to help you to email it to me. Okay. But I would like it to be typed, because this is getting you guys a little bit more comfortable, because by the time you're in 3rd grade next year, you'll have to actually type about a paragraph, like a full little story. So it's good that you're practicing to type 1 sentence at a time. So we'll start out with 1 sentence. Okay, guys? And have fun with it. I can't wait to hear your stories about when you said yes to no. Okay? I can't wait to hear about it, guys. Maybe it was when you were asking for a new Lego set and they said, no, you have to wait for your birthday. And you said, okay, no problem. Yeah, that would be a really good story. So I guess we'll see what happens. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.